Every project has a moment when it stops being what you imagined. Sometimes it's exciting, sometimes it's frustrating. I think every designer reaches a point where they have to choose between forcing an idea or listening to what the project is trying to become. This was that moment for Thornfield. When I finished the last section, I was convinced I knew where this design was headed. I could already picture it, a wrap, soft, draped, romantic. But before I could keep crocheting, I need to answer one question. Will it be enough? So I started counting stitches, measuring, looking at the remaining yarn, trying to make the numbers work. For a little while, I kept trying to convince myself that I could stretch the yarn just a little further, maybe shorten the width, maybe simplify the edging, maybe leave off details I'd been excited about. I tried folding it different ways. I draped it on the mannequin over and over. Every time I looked at it, something felt off. It wasn't just that there wasn't enough yarn. The design itself wasn't feeling quite right anymore. I think that's one of the hardest parts of designing. You spend hours imagining something, and then when you have to admit that it isn't the best direction after all. So I stopped trying to rescue the original idea. Instead, I asked a different question. What does this fabric actually want to become? That completely changed the way I looked at it. Instead of seeing what I planned, I started paying attention to what was already there. The lace, the drape, the shape. Slowly, another idea began to take form. Not a wrap, something lighter, something that could layer beautifully over a simple dress, or a blouse, or even a tank top in the summer. I started sketching, marking out, sketching again. Every little adjustment made the idea feel more believable, and for the first time all afternoon, I felt excited again. The more I looked at it, the more I realized this fabric already knew the silhouette it wanted. A cropped vest, a deep V-neck, two buttons at the front, something elegant, but still practical enough to wear every day. The stitch markers became little checkpoints, helping me see the construction before a single new stitch was made. One detail I'm deciding on is the sleeves. At first, I imagined small cap sleeves, but now I'm wondering if a delicate flutter sleeve might echo the lace a little better. I'm not completely sure yet, and honestly, that's okay. Some of the best ideas don't appear until you're willing to leave a little room for them. Once I finally settled on a direction, picking up the hook felt completely different. I wasn't trying to save a project anymore. I was building a new one. It's funny how quickly frustration can be inspiration. Thornfield may not be turning into the design I imagined on day one, but I think it's becoming something even better.